What if I told you there's a mysterious sound that only some people can hear, and science can't explain it? In the small desert town of Taos, New Mexico, hundreds of residents report hearing a constant low frequency hum day and night. Here's the creepy part: no recording device has ever captured it, and scientists can't find its source. Some people hear it so loudly they can't sleep, others hear nothing at all. Theories range from secret military experiments, to alien communication, to geological vibrations deep under the earth. But after decades of investigation, the Taos hum remains an unsolved mystery. If it's real, why can't we record it? If it's not, why are so many people affected? Something strange is happening, and no one has the answers. Want to explore more real life mysteries? Subscribe now, because this is just the beginning.